Welcome to Jiangsu Weixiang Tool Manufacturing Company Limited. Today, we'll take you on a virtual tour of this factory. Established in 2006, this state-of-the-art factory has a rich history of producing milling cutters, woodworking router bits, CAD/CAM dental milling burrs, drill bits, and helical cutters. This company specializes in producing, researching, and developing tools for processing wood, aluminum alloy, stainless steel, titanium alloy, dental material, plastic, and steel, with advanced production equipment. Rollmatic, ANCA, and Walter. We have strict inspection and QA systems, and ERP system to track the production procedure. With an annual output of 2 million drill bits, this factory is at the forefront of the industry. Its dedication to precision and quality control has resulted in a significant sales volume, exceeding 50 million yuan units per year. Its warehouse spans over 1,000 square meters, providing ample space for storage and efficient distribution. This allows the factory to meet the demands of customers promptly and reliably. The factory takes great pride in its workforce. With more than 70 dedicated employees, the factory fosters a sense of community and teamwork. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Zhenjiang City's premier drill bit factory. With its rich history, diverse product range, impressive production capacity, and commitment to quality, this factory continues to make its mark in the industry.